I'm ready to move forward. If nothing further to add, I will follow this agreement and find Mr. Guillory, you are pleading guilty to the state jail felony of burglary of a building. You were doing this voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. I find you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. There is sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this state jail felony of burglary of a building. Following this agreement, you are hereby sentenced to confinement in the state jail for 2 years. That confinement shall be suspended. You are placed on regular probation for 5 years. There will be terms and conditions of probation which are normal and customary for this type of offense. One requirement, you will be ordered to pay restitution to the complainants as named in this indictment. It looks like Brandon John and Cowboy Reddy Nix, owner thereof. We'll figure out it's Cowboy Reddy Nix, but there's Brandon John. Do you know who that is?
No. The owner's name is Bubba.
Yeah, it's not a Brandon John.
The owner's
I don't know.
is but for sure. Not sure exactly what you're asking.
Yes. But the indictment says, without the effective consent of Brandon John and Cowboy Reddy, the owner. Does the state have any information to help us on this?
And Judge, I'm going to add a little more to the mix. I have a note of someone named Sharon Janice, so I'll have to clarify who is the actual owner. I've spoken with somebody. I need to clarify who restitution needs to go to.